Here's the girls in the shed. Come say hello. They just want Mum's brekkie. There you go. Share that. Vegemite and cheese on toast. They go yummy. Very nice. You like it, don't you? Eat yours, Krumb. Bokken's smashing it. You eat yours. Yeah, look. Yeah. Oh, you just like the cheese. You're fussy. Bokken. 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 Hey, keep taking her stuff. Haha, she got your back. Good girl, Krumb. These two funny girls. Taking each other's food and fighting over it. Bokken. There's some over here. Yeah, look. There you go. Oh, it's all such a frenzy, isn't it? Yes. All right, girls. Love you.